Welcome back to Cook It Yourselves, where I'll teach you to cook it yourself. This week we'll be making the best braised pork for drinks. Stay till the end to see how it's done. This recipe is so simple, anyone can do it. Here are the ingredients: any fatty part of the pork, some leek, ginger, some slices of yam or potatoes, 1 chili, some leftover dashi, sesame oil, Chinese wine, and soy sauce. So first we're gonna cut our ginger, leek, and yam. I don't usually take out the skin, it doesn't matter, we're not going to eat it. We're gonna give it a rough chop. So first, we're gonna heat up our stove and we're gonna add some sesame oil. Oh, I haven't opened it. Give it a good pour, about a tablespoon, and then we're gonna put in the ginger right away. Put it to lower heat and just let that aroma get to you. Once that is going, we're gonna put in the leeks. Oh yes, give it a fry around, and lastly, the chili. Just leave it whole. We just want a bit of that spice in there. We don't want to bite into it. So when all that is cooked, it's brown, we're gonna add in our yam. Oops. Alright, now we're just gonna lay our pork in there. Didn't add that much oil earlier. Just gonna put our pork in. This is gonna be really quick. Okay, once our pork is in, we're gonna add our dashi. So we're trying to braise this, so we don't want the braised liquid to be above the meat. We want it just right below. If you want to learn how to make the dashi, I've made a video about it last week. You can check it out in the links below. Remember, ABC, always be cleaning. So right now we're gonna add a capful of Shaoxing wine. Right now we're gonna season it with some soy sauce. If you like more color on your pork, you can use dark sauce as well. You can mix both and then we cover it again. Now we're gonna let this go on a low simmer for the next 30 minutes and then we'll come back to it. So now that we're simmering it, we're gonna lift the lid. Half an hour later, we're gonna open this pot. Now we're gonna plate it. Pick your favorite piece. Pork, some yam, and of course some of that broth. Oh. Of course the best part now, we taste. Some of that yam, oh, it's so soft. Oh my gosh, the flavor of that yam is so good, so buttery. Check out that jiggle. That's really good. Wow. So this is definitely a recipe you gotta try. It's so simple, so flavorful. All that flavor is like soaked in that pork in just half an hour. And especially this yam. Oh my goodness, I could eat it for days. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this recipe. Perfect match with the beer.